As you can see, if you on the left hand side, as you can see, there are no review tasks available at the moment. Now to enable review, what we have to do is first you need to have a project setup. So in the home page, go to projects, and then say create project, right? And then select a project template. Here there is a detailed project template, right? Use this. And there are other ones too, like translation, media project. But for this, we only need the data project template. Now say green tech solutions, reviews. Say, okay, content, reviews, right? Project used to manage review tasks for green tech solutions. Again, due date is not necessary here, but some companies want to like just say have a monthly project or quarterly and set a due date. So everything that's in that month has to be set done. And you can also set at the individual job level too. But for now, let's say there is no due date. And who can be part of this project, right? As an admin, I can be a part of it. And let's say I have another user, right? And then he can also be a review author, owner. There are different roles that user can be. Let's say he's a reviewer, and add, create, open. So as you can see, or if you go back under projects, now you have green tech solutions content reviews, right? Under here there are two people who can actually participate in this project, and the properties of the project, that whatever we changed here is there. And then by default there's only one asset, the thumbnail of it, right? So we do not need anything. And then you have reviews, right? We are trying to add reviews to this board. So the project is ready, the setup for project is ready. Now it's up to us to send any topic for review. Let's say in our repository for green tech solutions, if you go to energy saver, let's do one topic, right? Let's say using energy saver, it's done and it's ready for review, and you want to send it to your peer or subject matter expert. I don't know, it can be anything, like it can be any flow, but you just want to send it through a workflow. Let's say I'm doing troubleshooting, right? So here, if you see in the top toolbar, actually let me disable this thing. This is version 1.2. Let me add one more step just for so just technical support team, issue process ready. Thank you. Just added some text, and let's say I gave a label ready for review, right? It's not necessary, but since we are practicing that, I gave a label. Now here on the top right in the secondary toolbar, you can see the last one. It says create review task, right? So select that, click that, and now you can say, what was that? Energy saver, troubleshooting, um, for review, just whatever you want to come up with. And the project is this, right? Green tech solutions content reviews. And you can assign to a group or person, right? I'm just assigning to this guy, and you can set a due date at the project level too. So let's say tomorrow is the due date, and in this case we only have one topic, so it doesn't make any difference even if you say allow assignees to review any topic. But since there is only one, that doesn't matter, but like I selected it anyways. So you have the first title, project where this review task needs to go, description if you want to add anything, let's say Now 1.3 energy saver, troubleshooting article, troubleshooting topic. Please review for end of May release. And whatever it is you want to send. Next. And here also you can select for that one. If there are multiple versions, you can select which version to send. But since we did the ready for review label thing, you can do by that or by their latest version. Since there's only one, it's all the same. And ours is in draft state anyways. Okay, or label to apply. It's already ready for review. If you want, from here too, you can set a label to all the topics. Since we already have that, it doesn't make a difference. And say next. This is a second opportunity to see if all the topics that you want are there. If not, you can delete or add, reassign anything that you want to do. But I have no changes here, and create. So review task energy saver troubleshooting review has been created, and it's assigned to Rakesh.Konda, right? So here you won't see anything. Now let's say close. And if I log in as Rakesh.Konda, right? If you see here, you can see in the inbox, I have energy saver troubleshooting review, right? So I can select this, and then it opens that particular task in a review mode. Okay. There are no topics with any comments yet, so it's up to me to review. So you can see there are three panels, right? One is the topics view, and the center is the content view. And on the right hand side, you have comments and some annotations, some options. There are multiple ways. Let's say you want to highlight this text just for review. Can you review this or something like that? You can select and say highlight, and then comment if you want. I'll walk you through, excuse me, all the options. Yeah, so this is highlighted. Wait. Sorry. Let me delete that. It highlighted the wrong one. So let's say I only want to highlight this part. Okay. I'm highlighting and saying, please check if this wording is right. Okay. And submit. And now, where we are at thank you, right? So the admin has sent this text for me to review, and I think this content is not needed, right? I'll say this is not required. Please delete it, right? And submit. And now on the right hand panel, to the same options are provided. You can select this and then come here and select. That's also a way, and say submit. And then the same way you click this, and if you want to remove anything, let's say I want to delete this, right? Unnecessary comment, you may remove this, right? In peer-to-peer view also, I mean, both can make changes, whereas in review mode, in workflow, they can only annotate and say what they want, right? It's just an annotation mode. And now let's say here they want to add one more line, right? You can select this one, insert text, and say here, don't forget to email us, right? Some text I want to add, I added, and I can say I can reply to my own comment, or they can also reply, can be a dialogue. I thought it would be better to emphasize this. Okay. And can also, without doing anything, you can also select and comment like in Google Docs. Good job, right? And I can also, if I want, I can attach an image or anything that with that comment, with any comment, you can do that, right? Once you are done with this, right? Uh, go here under preview mode, you can check how it would look if those comments were accepted, right? If all the comments were accepted, what would it look like? Then say hide preview, uh, right? Yeah. So the content we asked to delete these two lines, it deleted, and then the other ones are just annotations, right? So also you can search comments, like if you have a long list of annotations, it's hard to scroll down, right? You can say search for issue or search for good job, whatever your comments are. If you want to go through that and then select, it will also do that. And see it's highlighted that. Cause and see it highlighted that text wherever, whichever section the comment was made to. And you can also filter by review status, like there's none or accepted, rejected. Since it's none of them, did not go through anything, everything is in that phase, right? Everything will be there. Review type, you can filter by review type, how many highlights do I have, right? Let's say I want to see only my highlights, apply, and it only shows the uh, uh, highlight once the changes are done, and by who made what change, and versions. If you are sending multiple versions, you can also do that. Okay. So let's say this is done from my side. Wow, why does it always say that? I close the task for review, right? You can see it here. And now let's say I'm done. I come back and I can see here the review task is there, right? Once I log in. So I can see the comments here. Wait, did I revert? Okay. Go here. Guides. And say, I mean, from the review task, you can have a dialogue there, or let's say it's at the end of the review. You can go to your topic that you sent for review. Which one did we do? Troubleshooting, right? So edit. Now, if you see on the bottom left, you have the review. Now you can see, okay, of this was under review, and there are 6 comments, right? And once you click it, it shows that reviews here. Okay.